Hello friends, in this video, I will guide you to add fabric and chiffon. Go to this photo, to make this photo more impressive. This photo was taken in the Maldives. I will open this photo. Then first I will rebalance the horizon, create a new layer. Recompose the photo, rebalance the horizon. The horizon and composition are 1/3 now. And I will erase the dirty spots in this photo. Shift, delete. Then editing this photo will also be very quick. I see that the histogram is close to touching, but it is a bit small. I will increase the contrast for the image to be clearer. Then I can make the clouds bluer by adding water or blue sky. For do skin smooth and bright skin. These are very simple and basic things, you can do it by yourself. Sam has shared a lot in video for retouch the skin. In this photo, I will focus on the chiffon combine. Guide you how to make it more impressive. Then I will go to the veils section. Then if I choose the right, I will take the original color of the chiffon. And if I choose the left, I will choose the color, then I will choose the one on the left to choose the color. I'm going to circle the color of my shirt, here I'm going to click on the veils. So this is what I will choose the color. Then I see that my shirt is a fabric, it is not very see-through. So I can choose these materials, it is more suitable. These are materials that I think are more suitable. I can choose one of these. I trying to pick this one. So you see that the color is a bit different, right? Okay, this color is a bit washed out, too bright, it's not the right color I want. Then I leave, I delete, I will choose the color again. My selection is not correct, I will choose in this area. Here I will select this area, its color will be lighter. Then I chose this picture again. Okay, the color is more relative. So now I just stick it in, then I will guide you to fix the color accordingly. Then I put in the dress, the chiffon. Then in order to adjust this color properly, I will choose this brush color, this layer. And I click option, click the color. Then I'll scan in. Then you see that here it only affects the chiffon. It does not affect the subject, the dress. Then now I will do the removal of this border. I selected the top layer. I noticed the white mask below. Now this is the white mask above, press X to change back to the black mask, I will scan it. This contiguous part, to make it real, I will reduce the opacity to 50%. Then it will have a certain transition, I will see that it is very straight. Note that so people will not know this is a product from a composite. Because of these borders, I made it very smooth, please note this. When it's okay, the connection is good. Then I start by removing this border, by merging this layer. This dress is overexport here. Then I leaves it like that, because it will feel more real. Leaves it like that, because it will feel more real same. Then a little bit I will try to handle this dress here and there, these burnt spots. But why does Sam see? Because these dress are also some spot over expose. So I let it be quite real. Okay. I'll start by combining it. And I will go to these places. I zoned. I shift delete, I delete these borders. Then now it becomes very real. I noticed the edges, the connecting border. I removed these borders. I think it matches very well, right? Then you can also squeeze this chiffon. The bounce is that if you squeeze from the other layer, it won't affect the seam. But then I thought it was beautiful. If I see this skirt and the main dress, the color doesn't really match. Because of this main part it's darker. Then I can rescan the color. By the way I choose the brush, I choose the brush color. I choose this color. And I brush on my dress. These parts will reduce the color, so that it matches the color of the back of the dress. And I can also scan it here. Then I note that when I zoom in, these contiguous are also exposed. So now I will deal with these. I will group all the layers together. And I will zone these contiguous areas, starting with I will shift delete, let me delete. That's it. After I delete it, it will lose these borders. Then here this part, note that you should do it carefully. You should delete carefully. This is the most important part, the part that connects the chiffon and the dress together. Need to do it carefully. Then after I delete it, I will find it very natural. Then after I delete, you see that these borders are seamless. It's like a common cloth. The parts that I see that it is not there, I continue to delete. Make it even. And now that's all. Before, it's completely different guys. After. Then I finished editing this photo. If you are using the old version, please go to the website to download this new version at FineArtSecret.com. Normally, this picture histogram is okay. But with me taking pictures in the sea, I usually gives the picture a little brighter. To make it clearer, you can now add contrast to your image. Then after adding the contrast, you will see that the image is clearer. Then you can add more, 2 times is fine. Depends, 2 times if it's too bright I can reduce it a little bit. 50%. Then the photo that wants to be light or dark is up to you. Then I is always guiding you on how to do it. As for how I decide, that is up to each person's preferences. Before, after. Then you can still make the sea bluer, by choosing color cast. Add aqua. Here the sea is greener, I can reduce the opacity. Before, after. The sky is bluer too. And whiter, smoother skin. Then these problems, I has shared a lot in the previous video tutorials. You can squeeze the dress any way, depending on your wishes and preferences.